Yeah, the tram ride, no? We're here in the city of Bursa. Bursa is 3 to 4 kilometers, 3 to 4 hours, no? Drive from Istanbul. So we're just scouting our way here. This is a public place, no? Center. Very historical, no? Maraming importance yung Bursa because you have during the time of the Ottoman, no, Empire, this city used to be the center or the political capital. I think that was mga 700 years ago. So they have a very busy market. May mga Pilipino pala dito, kabayan. Ba't umabot kayo dito? Ang layo na to, ah. Ha?
Doon na tama mo? That building. Kung saan yung nakalagay yung building na yan?
Yung dulo? So what do you think of your trip here?
It's so nice.
Oh, that's almost sunset here. Imagine na umabot kami dito. We thought that this is one of those smaller cities. Sobrang laki pala. And we had a very memorable pedestrian crossing kanina. No? Crossing? Okay, very nice.